Hey guys, just got another delivery for the Jeep. This time we're checking out the 3W Thorex all-weather floor liners. So let's get this box opened and see what's inside. These premium all-weather mats come packaged super nicely, and everything is all in one box. As we pull the first mat out of the box, we can see that it comes with this amazing carpeted insert, and you can pop these right out. These are super high quality and give a nice little extra touch to the all-weather mat and add a little touch of comfort to our off-road style. Next up is the backseat liner, made of the same durable all-weather material. And check this out, they even threw in a couple of air fresheners. The 3W backseat mats come attached in one piece instead of two like the factory. You also get instructions and a little warning card in the box. Next is the passenger side mat, which also comes with a nice carpeted insert. And finally, we can pull out the laser cut cargo liner. This thing is heavy duty and comes custom fit for the back of the Jeep, but you do have to cut out the D-rings. And all the mats are non-slip on the bottom. Alright, so let's get these out to the Jeep and get them installed. First thing we need to do is clean out and remove our old cargo mat, which never really fit, despite being from Mopar. Now in with the new 3W liner. Off with the label, and just like that, we've got a custom fit cargo liner, and it fits perfectly on top of the canvas back liner too. Okay, onto the back seat. Time to remove the OEM Jeep floor mats. With the driver's side out, it's onto the passenger side. Time to fit in our new 3W premium floor liners. Starting on the passenger side, pop the liners into the secure factory locations. Look at that fit! Now fold the rear liner over to the driver's side and attach it to the factory locations. These liners fit perfectly and give a lot more depth over the factory mats. So now it's onto the front. Again, out with the old, and in with the new. And man, that carpeted insert makes the Jeep look so much nicer. Plus, it's easy to take out whenever I hit the mud, and put back in once we're all cleaned up. These liners fit like a glove and really offer a ton of sidewall protection. And when we compare the 3W liners to the stock mats, you can see how much nicer they really are. They're made of this premium Thorex material, they offer a little bit more cushioning, and they capture a lot more dirt and debris. Overall, they're just a lot nicer, plus they look a little better. So let's wrap it up with the passenger side. Again, remove the old mats, and secure the 3W liners into the factory locations. These liners are an incredible upgrade, and are easy to clean off, offer a lot of coverage, and the carpeted insert really makes my Jeep feel way more luxurious. 3W makes premium floor mats for most Jeep vehicles, not just the Wrangler. So check out their website to find fitments for a range of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Plus, if you order using the link below between September 9th and September 30th, you can save up to 35% during 3W's Brand Day celebration. And while I haven't had the chance to take mine out and get them dirty yet, you can see just how easy these are to clean off on their website. So stay tuned for future videos where I show you just how easy they are to clean. So grab yours using the link in the description below, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe.